Think pet care. Think Pettik. Your four-footed friend, your pet, needs to be free of dirt and overgrown matted hair, time and often to stay clean, healthy, and fit. On Pettik, you can find certified professional pet cleaners and groomers with significant experience to clean and groom your pet right at your doorstep within the comfort of your home sweet homes. Pettik certified pet cleaners and groomers use standardized non-irritable grooming products like shampoo to suit to your four-footed friend's breeds and needs. Pettik pet cleaners and groomers have sufficient experience working with breeds of different kinds, which makes them tolerant and patient towards your pet's comfort levels so as to ensure less stress and a more relaxing experience for your pet. All you need to think about are towels and a proper place within your boundaries to carry out the cleaning and grooming activities. Without any hidden charges, you get what you order from someone you can trust. A stitch in time saves nine. Some proper grooming in time helps keep your four-footed friend stay clean, healthy, fit and fine. Order a relaxing pet cleaning and grooming experience today. Think pet care, think Pettik. Pettik, loyalty for the loyal.